What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday and I'm in France for a whole week. And while I'm not hanging out with family, I want to learn OH. I have my cube and I have my timer and I'm going to show you guys how I do. I have to find somewhere to set up my camera here. Okay, I think this will do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scramble the cube up and I'm just going to try and see what I can do. On day one, probably not a lot, but we'll see. So here's our scramble, right. I'm just gonna give it a go. How do I do an M move? Oh, just do it like that. Okay, I'm not doing this G-perm. So 2-look PLL it is. 113.6, I know that is flipped, but 1 minute 13, that is our benchmark. I'm gonna try a few more solves and see if I can improve it. I don't know. Oh my god, guys. I already got sub 1. Okay. This is huge. This is massive. That was so good. Okay, brilliant. So I did already post a video trying one-handed and you guys did give me some pretty helpful advice, specifically for the L moves, where instead of doing some awkward turns like this, you actually just rotate and then you use your U layer, like your R layer, and then your L becomes a U layer. So I'm trying my best, guys. 1 minute 7. So what is our mean of 3? Probably around 1 minute 10 for our mean of 3. That's not bad, guys, okay? But it's getting quite late now. France is an hour ahead of the UK, so I'm gonna get into bed. So I'll see you guys for day 2, I guess. What's up, guys? It is day 2 of this. I've not got anything planned for a few hours, so I'm just gonna warm up and then I'm going to get straight back to practicing one-handed. It's a good first solve. So yesterday we got a 113, a 107, and a 58. So new PB today? I don't know. I'm going to try and do a few more solves and who knows what will happen. Yeah, 100. No, it's fine, don't worry. Yeah. $133, that's no good. 1 minute 3, PB2. No. I want at least one more sub 1 minute solve for day 2. One minute 8. Okay. No. One minute 7. Oh god. That was my worst yet. Okay guys, great news. I was just doing a few solves off camera and I did it. Broke the PB for day 2, 55 seconds, 0.94. I'm pretty happy with that. No, the A-perm again. I don't want to do it. This solve is too good so far. Yes, let's go. Nice. What's up, guys? It is day 3 today. I'm going to use my laptop today, and my goal is sub 1 minute A05. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to make a new session for OH. And here we go. Oh my god. I picked it up with the wrong hand. Okay, I did the G-perm, but it just took me a while. 1 minute 16. That is our first time. Oh my god. Okay. Well, second solve of the day, and I just broke my PB. 50. Nice. 55.47. I got a 55.05. I don't think that's good enough. That felt so much faster than that. Ah, okay, 1 minute flat. Oh. That was our sub 1 AO5. Okay. There we have it. Done 6 solves today. And we got our sub 1 AO5. I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. Guys, it is day 4 today. So I stopped recording last night and I went on a little bit of a spree, I guess. So as we can see here, I sort of went a little bit crazy and got several new PBs, 52 AO12. Something sort of clicked, so I guess we're gonna carry on today. Now, I'm not gonna show every solve I do. You know, I'll keep recording just in case anything interesting happens. Starting off with a minute flat. 54. 47. 56. 54. Oh, guys, yes. By 0.05 of a second, I've got my first sub 40 solve. Nice. Oh, that's not good, guys. 1 minute 6. I'm not happy with that, to be honest. Okay, guys, it's about 20 past 11 here, and I'm not tired, so I'm going to practice some OH. Okay, well, good news, guys. Just got my PB AO5. There you are. I'm back, and I absolutely just smashed my PB AO5 by 2 whole seconds. That is crazy. We got 4 sub 50 solves in that AO5, beating our last one by a whole good 2 seconds. This is going pretty well. What's up, guys? It is day 5 today, and my dad is playing the cello, so try and ignore the background noises. So I've realised that I can't actually solve one-handed for that long because it makes my muscles hurt in my fingers, especially sort of around the pinky. It's very awkward to sort of be doing this a lot. But and I'm also going to be back on stack mat as well, so slightly more realistic times. Okay, well, first solve of the day was a DNF because I made a big mistake and I didn't really fancy carrying on. .49. .54 with the V-perm. To be honest, guys, I do not feel like I'm improving much now. I think I need to work on my turning. I think that is what's holding me back. And so I guess I'll drill some algs for a bit. I don't really know what else to do, to be honest. Alright guys, I just got back from a swim, and you know the drill. Just gonna practice some more solves. In that solve there, I got really easy F12 cases into an OLL skip, but then I got an NB perm, which is the only one I've never ever tried one-handed, and I did not trust myself, so I threw it at the PLL and got a 46. But that could have been so good. Imagine if I got a T perm or something. Oh well, it's fine, guys. Okay guys, so after that session I was pretty consistently getting around 50 seconds, but no amazing solves really. I did choke a couple. I had a really nice solve going that I just messed up completely, but not a bad session. I might practice some two-hand because I kind of miss having my other hand. Guys, sorry for the terrible lighting. It is currently day 5 and it is very late in the evening, and so I haven't recorded anything today because I was out all day doing loads of crazy stuff. But I did do a little bit of solving, untimed and off camera, so I'm not going to go rusty or anything, but yeah, I'll see you then, guys. What's up, guys? It is day 7 today, and I'm going to warm up with some two-handed, because I haven't solved yet today. Yeah, my dad's playing the cello again, so I'm wearing some noise-cancelling headphones. Okay guys, so this is my second OH solve of the day, and I just broke my PB. So that's quite good. I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe having a day's break was a good thing. Okay guys, my hand is starting to hurt and I'm going out for dinner soon, so I'm gonna wrap up this session. We smashed our PB-A05, I think. Yes, we broke our PB-A05 by over 3 seconds, and we also broke our PB single from a few days ago twice today. So yeah, pretty good, and it was back to back. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Oh, guys, so I am back in England, and what do I think about this video? How good can I get at one-handed in 1 week? Not very good, but here are my final statistics, if you want to take a look. I think that's about it. This video took me ages to make, so if you liked it, please like the video or subscribe. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. Thanks so much for watching.